What's the meaning of biplane? Biplane. Biplane.
Biplane. Biplane. A biplane is a type of fixed-wing aircraft that has two sets of wings, typically one set above the other. The main advantage of a biplane is that it offers greater lift and maneuverability than a monoplane design. This is because the double wings provide more surface area for lift and the shorter wingspan allows for tighter turns. Biplanes were common in the early days of aviation, but eventually fell out of favor as monoplanes became more efficient. However, they are still used today in some niche applications such as crop dusting, aerobatic flying, and recreational aircraft.